Hello children, welcome back to our EVS class. Last class we studied about air and its properties. So air is very essential for us. We cannot live without air. So like air, we cannot live with water also. Water is also very essential in our life. So today we are going to study about water. So every day we are using water. There are so many uses for water, for drinking, for brushing, for bathing, for cooking, or for many other purposes we are using water. So actually from where we are getting this water? So first we are going to study about the sources of water. Source means that from where we are getting that. So source of water means that from where we are getting water. So the first source or the main source of water is rain. So when there is raining, at that time we will get a lot of water, and also the rainwater can fill ponds, lakes, oceans and seas. So these are all examples for the sources of water. So what is the main source of water? Rain. And also the rain fills up rivers, ponds, lakes, seas and oceans. So we can see the pictures of this is a picture for a sea, this is ocean, this is pond and this is lake. So all these are sources of water. So now we can check what is the importance of water in our daily life. We all know that water is very essential for us. The main use of water is drinking. For drinking we are using water. So water is very essential for all living things. Human beings needs water, and at the same time animals also need water. And plants also need water. For what? For their growth. Without water the plants will not grow. So we can say that human beings, animals and plants, all of them need water. Water in seas and ocean is salty and not fit for drinking. So do you heard about that? Do you heard that salt is prepared from seawater? That seawater contain a lot of salt, and we are preparing the salt from the seawater. So the seawater is full of salty in taste. It is full of salt. It is salty in taste. So it is not good for drinking. So we get drinking water from rivers, ponds and lakes. So for drinking we have to take the water from river, ponds and lakes. So that water from these sources are fit for drinking. The water from seas and oceans, it is not fit for drinking because it contains lot of salt. And next is uses of water. We all know the uses of water. So every day we are using water. When we wake up, after that time itself we are using water. So what may be the first use of water? Yes, for brushing. For brushing we need water. And after brushing, what you are doing? You are bathing. For bathing also we need water. Then for drinking we need water. And another use is what? In the kitchen also water having a major role for cooking food. And before cooking, what your mother is doing? Before cooking she will wash the vegetables. So for washing vegetables it is needed. And we are all eating fruits, and before eating fruits then also we have to wash the fruits very well. And before and after eating food we have to wash our hands also. So for washing hands we need water. Then next is what? After eating and cooking food we have to clean all the vessels. So for cleaning we need water. For washing utensils. And next is what? For washing clothes. If our clothes are dirty, at that time we have to wash it very well. So for that also we need water. Then plants. For their growth, plants needs water. If you are not watering them, what will happen? They will also die. And next is what we can see from the picture? For swimming. For swimming also water is needed. So these are the main uses of water. We can check the uses of water one more time. Human beings, plants and animals need water to live. So the main purpose is what? Main use is what? For drinking. We need water for drinking. We have to drink clean water. And next is what? For brushing our teeth. Every day we need this. Every day we are using water. Then next is what? Next is for taking bath. Water is needed. Then for cooking food, water is needed. Then before cooking we have to wash the vegetables. So for that also we are using water. And For the fruits also we are washing before eating. Then after all this, that means for cooking and also eating, after that we have to clean the vessels. So for washing utensils we need water. Then for washing clothes also we need water. And the plants needs water. So for growing plants and for swimming we need water. So water has a lot of uses. In everyday life we need water. So we cannot live without water like air. Air is very essential for us. The same way water is also very essential for us. So now we can check the assignments. So first one, name any 4 sources of water. Name any 4 sources of water. What do you mean by sources? Yes, from where we are getting water. So in the beginning of the chapter we discussed that there are many sources of water. Main source is rain, and from the rainwater ponds, rivers, lakes, seas and oceans, they will get water. So we can write some names of sources of water. I wrote here rivers, lakes, ponds and oceans. You can write any other option also. Second one, write any 4 activities you will not be able to perform without water. Write any 4 activities you will not be able to perform without water. So you have to write the activity you cannot do without water. So first one, we cannot brush our teeth. We cannot take a bath. We cannot wash utensils. We cannot wash our clothes. So you have to write all these questions and answers in your notebook. And also you have to read the lesson very well, and you have to study the sources of water also. So today we studied sources of water. Rain is the main source. From the rain, the rivers, ponds, lakes, seas and oceans get water. So these are the main sources of water. Then we saw the water, which water is very good for drinking, that means water from which source is good for drinking. So the water from rivers, ponds and lakes are fit for drinking, but the water from seas and oceans are not fit for drinking because it contains salt. It is salty in taste, so it cannot fit for drinking. Then we studied the uses of water. Human beings, animals and plants, they all need water to live. Then the basic needs of water. Then the first one for drinking, brush our teeth, for taking bath, cooking food, washing fruits and vegetables, for washing utensils, for washing clothes, and for the growth of plants, and also for swimming we need water. So write all the assignment question and answers in your notebook and read the lesson very well. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you.